In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Facebook Metapixel onto Calendly pages, 5 minutes. By the end, your Calendly booking pages will be connected to your Metapixel so you can measure visits and bookings for your ads and reporting. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to a Calendly account with permission to manage integrations and have your Meta Pixel ID handy from Meta's Events Manager. You only need the numeric Pixel ID, no code snippets required, because Calendly handles the installation for you. Start by signing in to your Calendly account. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and open Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all of its official add-ons and partner connections, including the Meta Pixel. If you don't see it right away on the main screen, choose Show All to expand the full catalog. This makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, locate the Meta Pixel integration tile. Click it to open the integration details. You'll see an overview describing what the connection does and how it works with your scheduling pages. When you're ready, select Go to Setup. This takes you straight to the configuration screen where you can link your pixel. In the Setup view, enter your Metapixel ID into the designated field. Double-check that you're using the correct ID for the ad account you plan to use, especially if you manage more than one pixel. Remember, you're entering just the pixel ID. Calendly will inject the base code behind the scenes across your booking pages so you don't have to touch any page code. When your pixel ID looks good, click Save. Calendly will confirm the change and apply the integration. You should see an indication that the pixel is connected. From here, traffic to your Calendly booking pages can be attributed in Meta, helping you understand which campaigns and audiences drive visits and successful bookings. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you recently created the pixel, it can take a few minutes before you see activity. Browser extensions and strict privacy settings may block tracking. So if you're testing, use a standard browser session without aggressive blockers. Also, if you manage consent banners, ensure your settings allow marketing pixels on the pages where you want tracking. That's it. You've connected your Metapixel to Calendly with just a few clicks, and you're ready to capture meaningful scheduling data for your campaigns.